'cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Happy birthday po, Ma'am RJ.
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ.
Happy birthday, Ate RJ!
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Yeah, okay, isang happy birthday, Ma'am RJ. Go, go.
Birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Lakasan mo naman yung may energy.
Birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Way back 2014, nung nagkaroon ng nasunog yung buong compound namin nung time na yun. As in, nasunog talaga siya. And then, the time, lahat, zero talaga, party sisters pa lang noon. Talagang walang natira dun sa business namin ng kapatid ko. And then that year, dumating si Mirabela sa buhay ko.
And as well, ang tagal na panahon na magkakasama kami. Seeing these people, maliliit pa yung iba, ngayon lumalaki na sila. So, to God be the glory, palakpakan natin ang Panginoon sa buhay ni Miss RJ, ng lahat ng bumubuo ng Mirabela Events. And truly, this is a wonderful day for all of us, family, friends, and as well, sa business na meron na pinagkaloob ang Panginoon kay RJ.
I wish you to become more successful in your life for the next succeeding years and focus on your health and to your children.
Happy birthday, Mami. Maraming salamat sa mga suporta mo sa akin, lalo na sa basketball. Wish ko sa'yo sana good health and sa Mirabela, madaming incomes, madaming pang clients na dumating. At yun lang. I love you, Mami. Happy birthday.
Chasing me always.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na naitulong mo rin sa akin.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for taking care of all of us. Thank you for taking care of our lads. And thank you for taking care of everyone. I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, anak! Ang masasabi ko lang sa iyo, more blessings. Sana pagpatuloy mo, kabaitan mo.
I-bless ka pa ng marami ni God. And then yung health mo, tutukan mo din yon, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Happy 40th birthday, ate. Tandaan mo, nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo.
Hi, Madam. Happy birthday. Tulad nga ng sinasabi ko, ibigin kita na walang pag-iimbot at buong katapatan. I love you.
Oh, tumingin ka dito. Batayin mo si Ma'am RJ. Batayin mo si Ma'am RJ. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ! God bless!
Happy birthday.
Ang lapit naman yan.
Hindi, wait to eh.
Ano sabihin ko?
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ.
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ. Birthday, Ma'am RJ.
Lakasan mo naman!
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ.
I think, Miss RJ, you were given a gift or given gifts of life's core values. One is passion and number two is compassion. Passion because napaka hardworking mo. You love your craft so much. And it's so, nai-imbibe mo sa mga suppliers mo. And at the same time, compassion kasi I see how you care for your couples, for your suppliers, sa kahit pinakamaliit na detalye, nakikita mo and you make sure that every event is perfect and worth their money at napaka-memorable. And that's what I like about you.
Happy birthday, Ate RJ!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ!
Ay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate RJ!
Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ! Happy birthday, Ma'am RJ!
At ang unang-unang naging kliyente ko that time ay kaibigan namin ni Ate Nini. At awa ng Diyos, puro sablay yung wedding na yun. No? So, from there, natuto ako all throughout those 8 years of my life. Mirabela, hindi po siya ganun kadali. Hindi siya overnight success. Ang dami ko pong pinagdaanan bago siya marating, bago mahanap yung mga tamang tao na kasama ko ngayon sa Mirabela.
Alagang Mirabela.